Hello foodies, welcome back. I'm gonna be making up some chicken and fresh veggies, roasted veggies. So now I've cleaned my chicken and I'm seasoning with onion powder, garlic powder, some chicken seasoning, a little ginger powder. Yeah, give it a zest. And this is the good old Jamaican seasoned to the bone. Seasoned with the pimento seed, and there goes the jerk seasoning also. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting this in the oven. So it's gonna taste like authentic jerk, Jamaican style. Okay, then we have to cut our fresh veggies because you know me, I have to make my homemade seasoning. So I'm adding onion, scallion, you may call it green onions. So I'm cutting all of that for the blender. And some scotch bonnet pepper. So now I'm removing the seeds and the veins from the pepper, to cut down on the heat so it won't be as intense. And fresh thyme, I have to go in that also. As they say, dry thyme is a scam. So fresh thyme, bell pepper. Not everyone uses bell pepper, but you use whatever you choose. So I'm adding bell pepper and garlic to finish that off. A little bit of water, to get the blender moving more easier. And you blend that and add to your chicken or meat, your soups, rice and peas, whatever you're making. Yeah, and that's a pimento seed. Yeah, that is gonna give it more of a jerk flavor because that's the secret ingredient in the jerk seasoning. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, so I'm adding the remainder to my chicken. Rub that in, and I'm gonna leave that a little browning. Yeah, to give it a little color, not much. Just to get a little color. Alright. There you go. I'm gonna leave that to marinate. Now, and if your oven is like mine, the storage, let me know in the comments. So now I'm gonna remove all these things from the oven, get it ready to put our chicken in. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Yes, join the family. I'm growing and I want you to grow with me. Yeah, so go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. If you take time out to watch this video, leave a comment, say something. I appreciate it. Okay, so now that is all ready to go in the oven, and I'm baking at 400 degrees. Now it's time to cut my veggies. Yes, I have sweet potato. I'm gonna try to cut in equal size so they may cook perfectly. You don't want some too big, some small, and then some is too soft, some is hard. Yeah, so you try to measure and cut in equal size. Oh, and now I'm cutting the carrots. All of those are gonna go into the oven first because they're harder to cook. Because I also have broccoli and onion, but those are softer. So I will season these with the same salt, a little salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, and red pepper flakes. Yeah, just use olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil you like, avocado oil, whichever oil you just add to it, add your seasonings. And after I'll cook these for about 20 minutes and then I will add, that's a Trader Joe's seasoning. I really like that herb seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's really good. If you have access to Trader Joe's, you should try it too. Very nice. Yes, I'll cook for about 20 minutes, then remove it, add the onions and the broccoli, and then put that back in the oven because those will cook faster. Yeah, you don't want to overcook your broccoli. So you grease up your sheet pan for the veggies. Make sure they're not sticking. Yeah, and I'm having a little fun. I'm watching a movie while I'm cooking. What's better than that? Yeah, it's good when you have multiple devices. I don't have to sit to look at the TV to watch. I can watch and listen while I'm cooking. Yeah, it's a win-win. Yep. Chicken is half cooked. I'm just checking that. Adding my veggies. Yeah, there you have it. So easy. It's easy. The prepping can take some time, but the cook time is not up to you because it's just in the oven, so it makes it easier. So once you take the time to prep, you can even prep and leave the stuff in the fridge overnight or whatever. You use the time that you have, and then it makes cooking easier. The hardest thing for me in this video was to remove all those things from the oven. I'm seasoning the veggies with the same seasonings because we don't want bland. No. Yeah, so salt, that Trader Joe's seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. Yes, olive oil, spray with some olive oil and get everything nice and scrumptious. Yeah, so those are like 3/4 done. Soft on the inside. See, that carrot easily broke, so like 3/4 done. So now I'm adding broccoli and onions. That's gonna cook for another 15 minutes or so. Yeah. So now I'm getting those veggies in the oven. That's gonna cook off, and then I'm making up a gravy right here. I'm using the fresh aromatics and some coconut oil. The coconut oil will give it just a nice nutty flavor. To the veggies, I'm adding some ketchup, right? Because you have to thicken up your sauce, and that's chili sweet and sour sauce. And that homemade seasoning, yeah, it's just the best. Yeah, this is gonna give you all the flavor that you need. Yeah, anything you put this in, sure gonna taste just right. Add a little bit of water, salt. Stir that in, get everything nicely mixed together. And then you go for the taste. So now I'm adding a spoon of sugar and fresh pepper flakes, the red pepper flakes. Okay, so I'm gonna top my chicken with some onion rings. And then add the gravy. Yeah, so everything is gonna cook off in the oven for another maybe 30 minutes. Get everything melded together. Yeah, just gonna be so good. If you like honey, you could also add honey for a little sweeter taste. Yeah, so that will go into the oven for another 30 minutes or so. And ranch is good with anything, so I like my veggies with ranch. Yeah, I'm just a girl that loves flavor. Yep, you can't go wrong with that ranch, I tell you. Yeah, and everything is done now. I'm gonna plate up. I'm telling you, this dinner is fit for a king, queen, prince, princess, whosoever will make them. It's just that good. Look at that, your protein, your veggies. So good. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back for more. Bye.